Hello there. Welcome. Am I live? Yes, I am. Welcome to some Minecraft. We're gonna play some Minecraft. We're gonna play some Minecraft battle mode, actually. I've been struggling with this for hours/days now since this came out, but the problem is there was something wrong. I tried to join lobbies and it kept saying error something, host left the game, and it's not the case. Hello, Pixel Soft, first! You didn't even give me a chance to go tweet this stream. Welcome, buddy. Welcome. So, what was I saying? Yeah, and they just released a patch this evening saying they fixed the issue, and apparently they did. I just tested it out, and yeah, should be okay. We're gonna give it a try, see how it's gonna go. If it sucks, well, the stream is gonna be determined how it depends on how much this sucks, the length of the stream. We're gonna give it a try. Okay, I'm gonna put my headset down for a bit. I'm gonna tweet out the stream and post it on social media, blah blah blah, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with a vengeance. Let's see how this goes. Let's see. So, I don't know the difference between casual and competitive. I've been reading the description, but it doesn't really make sense. A casual game which allows all player skins and spectators appear as bats? What difference does it make? So it appear as bats. Or competitive. Join a competitive which doesn't allow player skins that provide an advantage. Okay, let's round any. I don't want a long. Let's go for a short one now. Competitive, let's go for competitive. I'm a competitive person. Bare bones! Oh no! And this is Emily is here as well. Welcome. Welcome. You're gonna watch me fail, I think. I'm good at this. I promise I'm good at this. But I'm good on computer, not on PlayStation. And I haven't played it in ages, so maybe I'm... Okay, we're in the lobby right now. We're in the lobby right now. Look at us. This is what me looks like. Hang on. Where's me? This is me. Hello! Hello! Wait a minute. I can't wave. Oh my goodness. How is it done? Okay, I can't punch apparently. Oh, I can't punch. Alright, here we go. We're gonna start. We're gonna suck PC Master Race. It's true, I agree. I prefer playing this on the PC, to be honest with you. Oh, here we go. Is there a chance for me to sneak? I'm gonna try. Here we go! My goodness, so fast! So fast! They give me a chance. No chance at all. Let's run. Let's run, buddy, run. Oh my goodness. It's... Come on, I'm looking for a chest. Oh my goodness. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, there's downstairs. The premise of the game is the last man standing, basically. Help! There's no chest. I found the chest. Come on, gimme. Oh, I heard the noise. That's not good. Come on. Oh. Okay. We're good. Why can't I get in? Well, there's no chest, so there's no point, really. Okay, here we go. Somebody was just shot dead. Uh-oh. It's not easy to control this with the frickin'... Oh, there he is. Ah, dang it, I missed. What is this potion, anyway? Fire resistance. That's helpful. And I don't think it's a safe place here. There's one guy over there. I hit him, there he is. Oh, come on, man. I promise I'm really... Oh, I ran out of arrows. I need to get back up there. Let's go up there again. It's did you see what's going on? It's like having a seizure or something. Oh, come on, get up there. Oh, so dangerous, man. Up there. What's that? Showdown. Who's the showdown? Who's showing down? Am I the last man standing? I am, and I have nothing to defend myself with. Oh my goodness. Huh. What if I can make this jump? No! I need stuff. Oh, come on. Where's the mouse? Oh, somebody's hitting me! I got a shovel. I can shovel them up. I wonder if it works, this thing. When you crouch, you hide your username. I wonder if it works. Fire resistance, regeneration, I'll take that. Well, actually, it doesn't make a difference right now. Round end. Can Italiano win? I don't know how I didn't kill anyone! Oh my goodness, that is awesome! That is awesome, if I do say so myself. Respawn. I didn't do anything, I didn't kill anyone. Who else is new here? Tristan! So good. Tristan, welcome, buddy. Welcome. I didn't do anything. You see, when you camp and you hide, you win. Look, it's Princess Leia. Is that Princess Leia? I don't know. Hang on, look at it. You have all the skins, and your skin is my console. Can't use them. I know. Everybody says that. Anyway. Just hello. Oh my goodness, that was so funny. I didn't do anything. I just won. Actually, I didn't just win, okay? I was very good at hiding and looking out for myself. You know? Was the music different, by the way? Because I put the music down on my TV. I can't hear anything. Was the music different during the battle or not? If it's lame and stupid, I'll turn it off. Don't worry. Here we go again. Here we go. I hope it's not the same map again. Oh, it's a different map. Now then, let me just target another chest. I'm gonna go in there. Let's go. Run, buddy, run. Oh, I need to find a better... The only reason why I hit is because I didn't have a good enough weapon. I didn't even have a weapon. It was a shovel earlier, so we'll see how this one goes. It was almost already slain. And I don't have anything to fight with again. There's people going up there. Ooh, hang on. Maybe I can climb up there. Nope. How does it work? Maybe I can... I can't get up there. Wait a minute. Hang on a sec. Yes. This is it. This is the moment of truth. The music is different. I hear it now. Awesome. If it's too loud, let me know, guys. I have no idea because the TV is very low. What's this? I can't check out the... I don't have anything to fight with again. I made it all up the way here and there's nothing. Oh, come on, man. There's a chest here, but I don't know. I can't make it up there. Okay. This game is intense, man. And I have a potion of something and a potion of something. Poison. I'll take that, please. Thank you very much. This is my only weapon. And the chests have been refilled again. I think it's only the ones that are glittery. Hang on, there's somebody here. Come on, I'm gonna fist you. Oh, come on, man. Oh, somebody's coming. I should have jumped in the water. I'm an idiot. Oh, no! Dang it! This is not just Minecraft True. Welcome, True, by the way. Welcome. I'm sucking. Well, I've won the first round. I don't know if you were here for that. But... but this is not just Minecraft. This is like, you know, Hunger Games. It's time for me to take a sip of some wine. I tried to make a fist, but it didn't work, my fist. Let me just go around right now so I can actually... Right now I'm spectating, for those of you that are not aware what's going on. I'm spectating. I'm invisible. So I'm just scouting the area now to see if there's any... Okay. Zuzu 2061. Okay. Let's go again. That was funny. That was funny. How are you, Emily? Oh my goodness. It's so awesome that I can play Minecraft with people without having to add friends. Ah, so good. I don't need real friends. I can just join a lobby, random people, and that's it. Whee! Let me play the music of my people. You gotta pass the time. Alright, here we go. It's the same map again. Dang it, I hate this map. Let me try sneak something from the middle. Come on. Okay, I took something. I took some meat. That's not gonna help me much, but... It's awesome that it puts it on automatically. There's somebody here. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna wait for him to look into a chest and then attack. Actually, you know what? Let's see if there's something up here. I don't know why it makes that sound. It makes a sound. And you get an icon with the chest and a sword inside. I don't know what that means. Alright. Looks like I'm gonna be a better cowboy this time. If I do say so myself. I don't know, it's this golden. No, I'll wear these instead. And okay, we're good. Don't move. We need a good vantage point. Ah, there he is. Ready. Boom! Dang it, I hit him, but it wasn't a kill. There's somebody over there. Crap. No! No, 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 no. I died. I died. I tried my best. What's up, rebel? Welcome to the stream. It's alright, but it lacks the excitement of the PC one. I don't know, maybe because I'm better on PC. It's a very great concept. I hate the fact that they didn't call it survival games like the community did, you know, 3 years ago. The community called them Hunger Games at first, but then they switched it to survival games. And now PlayStation came up with Battle Mode, which is practically the same thing. The community made this up. Don't try to steal credit. I think they're teaming up, these people. Is that Doctor Who? I only won. He's the same guy that won again. Oh, come on. I need to win another one by doing nothing, you know, just hiding. Okay. Let's just wait some time. Which is the winner? This is the winner. This is the one. I need to keep away from this guy. The guy in the orange hair, the ginger. I will kick you. I will kick you. Look, this guy has a tail. That's why I love the PlayStation version, because the PlayStation versions have awesome skins. Let me show you something real cool. I discovered it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There's something really cool here somewhere. I don't know how I did it before, but I was able to get on one of these. Let's see. Oh yes, up here. And then I go in here. And then I go up here. And then what? Go up here. It's gonna start in 5 seconds. You see, I made it up here now. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Yes, it's a new update. It came out yesterday, but it didn't work, and today they fixed it. Now it works. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. All this stuff, all this stuff. Oh, come on, I took something at least. Let's go this way. Run, buddy, run. Ah, run! Look, it's lagging. Oh, that's why. There's freaking soul sand. I'm gonna go down here like last time. Oh, I almost fell. Okay. Come on, there's a chest here somewhere. There it is. There you are! I never... Uh-oh, uh-oh. Someone following me? I can attack. I can attack now that I have an axe. A wooden axe, but whatever. To be careful. I need to be careful. What does that icon mean up there? There's one guy over there. I'm gonna hide. Oh, oops, somebody just got burnt. Burn! No, 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 not me! No, 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 what do I drink? What do I drink? What do I drink? Fire resistance. Ah, now I resist fire, my friend. And I'm going to kill you! Oh, I killed somebody! I killed somebody! No, whilst fighting Canatalia, at least, he died whilst fighting me. Which is good. What's this? I don't know, I drank it. Splash potion of swiftness. I run faster now. Okay, that's good. Let's go. I am... Oh, oh, it's the ginger! I died. I died from the ginger again. It's the ginger. The ginger's gonna win. Showdown. It's not bad. It's not bad, but it's stressing me out, huh? Rusty Bones! Welcome! You didn't expect me to play Minecraft, did you? It's not exactly Minecraft. Doesn't mean I don't like the exactly Minecraft, but... That's helpful. Click L1. Really? If I click L1, I take everything right away. Seriously, I'm gonna try that. I am gonna try that. That's good. That sounds good. That's a good tip. I actually posted a picture of what he's doing right now. I'm gonna send you a picture of what he's doing right now. Not now, I mean, I'm playing now, but I will. I'll send you a picture of what he's doing right now. Because he just tweeted today. Yes, definitely, Tristan. Yes, definitely. Once I get used to playing with noobs like me, I will, and I'm confident enough, I'll start organizing. It's him again! Zuzu206! I'll organize one with friends, subs, and everything. And we can have some fun. What you doing, man? What are you? A football player? I used to love playing. I used to enjoy playing survival games on Mineplex. Haven't played proper Minecraft in over a year now. Look at Caleb. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, he's got a girly skin, Caleb. We're about to start, Caleb. Everybody's joining in. Look, everybody's joining in. This is so lame. Alright, here we go. Okay, this looks hard. I'm not gonna go up there. Let's go. That looks hard. I'm not gonna get up there. I'm gonna go here. Oh, dead end. I'm gonna go here. This is a dead end too. And I'm completely naked and the game has started. Good. Good. Naked VloggyBuddy. Yes, a chest. No more naked. Oh, he was right! He was right! You click! Oh, 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 oh. Go away! Go away! Go away! You know what? Actually, you know what? Come on, Caleb! We just played music together! I killed one and I died one. I was surrounded, but at least I killed one, yeah? No, wait, Kate wasn't even slain by me. Okay, no. Wasn't even by me. It's not easy. It's not easy, especially when you don't have hacks. I'm kidding. I don't hacks. Yes, I know I bought a mansion, an expansive mansion. The candy dispensing wall is the M&Ms, yeah? I saw the M&Ms thing. I didn't get slain by the cute cat. Somebody killed it for me. Someone's over here. Starved to death. Somebody starved to death. Zoo knows what he's doing, huh? This is the ginger. He's lurking and he attacks. Look, he's gonna win. Zoo's gonna win. Look at that. Boom! Did you see that? Such a boss. You're a boss, Zoo. I want you to leave the game. I want you to leave the lobby. He's already lurking on someone else. Look. Dum, 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 dum. He can make a run for it and jump to the water, and that's what he's gonna do. Yeah? Look. This is what I would do. Controller's a bit awkward to do it, but... Look, he's gonna win. He's gonna win. Zoo's gonna win again. There you go. Amazing. Zuzu wins. Do Zuzu. See you, Rebel Duck. Thank you so much for coming. Take care. Can I kick Zuzu? Hang on, can I kick Zuzu? Seriously. Can I kick Zuzu? What do I do? This is awesome, look at that. You get stats on everyone. I keep calling him Zuzu, but his name is not Zuzu, his name is Zuz. Zuzu. Where's Zuzu? There he is. Zuzu! Zuzu! Will you leave me alone in the next game? Please quit the game. Please exit this lobby. Please, Zuzu. Zuzu! Late at night? What do you mean late? It's not late. What time is it? 10:41. It's kinda early. I have to go to bed soon though. But I won't. Yeah, where are you from, Pixel? Are you Maltese? Something tells me you're Maltese. I'm gonna go get a chest. Get a chest, buddy. Go tell Enro. Dang it. The song is stuck in my head today. Go tell Enro. You know where that song is from? Booyah, booyah. I have a pickaxe. Can I mine? No. Go tell Enro. Come on, why am I walking slow on this one? That's weird. It's not even soul sand. Someone's over here. Nope. Oh, hello. I'm going to get... What the heck? Did you see the lag? Did you see the lag on that? He's lagging hard. And I killed him. I killed him and I'm picking up his stuff. That's fantastic. I got my honest first kill. Let's eat. Food goes down fast. My goodness. What's this? Instant health. I'll take this off and I'll wear this. What does more damage? This one 3.0 and this one is 2.0. Ah, the axe is better. Why did I take this off? Okay, good. Feather falling. That means if I fall from high places, I won't get damage. Well, there's a good chance I won't get damage. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 people alive. 1, 2, 3, 4 people alive, which 5 people. Well, including me. Oh, there's the frickin'. Oh, I'm gonna hide because there's the ginger over there. Ah, hey, buddy! No, not the ginger! Not the ginger! Okay, you guys fight. No, not 2 against 1. Not 2 against 1. Oh, come on, 2 against 1? Seriously? Ah, come on, that was so good. I had a good chance. But I think I did some good damage to... Hang on, let me see what's going on. Are they teamed? Where are they? They're teamed. Look, they're not fighting. Look at that. They're teamed. That sucks. That sucks. They're teamed. Oh, apparently, even they're teamed with this guy as well. Oh my goodness. Tristan, we are so gonna team, you and I. That's not good. Come on, it's 3 of them. How am I supposed to... That was all of them then. It was... Oh, come on. That's not good. Of course, now they have to fight. They got no choice because it's still the end. Come on, that wasn't good. 2242. That means you're not... Ah, Gold! Ah, you're from Gold! I think you told me that before. I'm not so sure. I think you told me that before once. Alright, Zozo wins again. Of course you're winning. You're teaming up with people and then killing them because you're better than them. Shall I leave this lobby? Scumbags. Shall I leave this lobby and try... But if I leave this lobby, I think I will lose my stats. I killed most handsome. What do you mean I'm the most handsome? I mean in real life, yes, I know I'm the most handsome. Even in chat, among these people here, I know I'm the most handsome. Amongst Stru, amongst Tristan, Pixelsoft, you know, but... No, but seriously, I don't get it. Why am I the most handsome in this game? Ah, man. Recognized. Recognized. Alright, should I leave this lobby? Because I'm not gonna stand a chance against a team of 3 people. I'll give it another try. Bouncy! We'll beat them up in a sec. I look forward to that, Tristan. I look forward to that. What Rebel Duck told me when I press L1 and I take all the stuff is really good. I'm gonna try that. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on, open up the freaking chest! It didn't open the chest. I don't know why. I'm gonna run now. Look at the ginger. Why did he jump there? I don't know. Boom, boom, boom. There's a box here, and I'll take everything. Thank you very much. I'll take this shovel. Who threw a bottle at me? I don't know. Buddy, 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 buddy. Ooh, I just killed someone. Did you see that, guys? I think it was lagging. Doesn't count as you, my friend. You. Oh, 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 oh. No! Did you guys see that? So awesome! So awesome! That was so awesome. I did well. I did well. Does it count as a kill because he died because of me? Say we're fighting and I push him into lava. Does it count as a kill? I mean, the game recognizes in the chat. It says he died because I tried. I don't know. I don't know. If he wins again, yes, I'll leave. Just like Tristan says. I enjoyed beating him up, huh? I thought I was gonna kick him out. The thing is, I still haven't mastered jumping and hitting. You know how when you jump and you attack, you get a critical? Oh, it's one of his teams though. One of his teammates won. You know how you jump and you attack, you get a critical hit? I'm trying to master that. Let me see if I can practice a bit. In the lobby. Hang on. Where am I at? What's that? Most effective. I'm not the most handsome anymore. Hot stuff camper. Look, you get known as a camper as well if you camp. Zeus is a camper. Killed by gravity. Killed by gravity. Okay. Defeated by okay. At least I died by gravity. Defeated by Ken Italiano and defeated by Ken Italiano. I know my username sucks. I'm sorry, guys. I was gonna practice jumping and it's not easy, huh? Alright, but I'm okay, like this. Okay, I'm getting the hang of it. Alright, this is how it's done. This is how it's done. I'm practicing. Just it doesn't work like that. I used to spam click my mouse back in my days. Back in my days, we used to say, back in my days. Okay, we're gonna do this. Oh, there's water. I'm not gonna make it. Turn around. Booyah. Come on. Man, I miss Minecraft, huh? Well, that's the reason why I haven't been playing it in ages. Because I want to miss Minecraft. I want to play it again soon. I need to find out what that means, the thing, the chest that... Oh, you are so dead, my friend. You are so dead. You want to team up now? Oh, did you guys see that? I'm a boss. I'm a freaking boss. I'm getting the hang of it now. There's arrows down there. I think I should go get them. But I'm gonna get damaged. Hang on. Now that the master is gone, I think I'm safe to play. I think I'm good now. I'm gonna pick these up. These were his. I'm hungry, huh? Eat up, buddy. Eat up. Oh, who is attacking me? Dang it! Change my sensitivity. Should I increase? Wait a minute. Change my sensitivity, isn't? does it work? Hang on. Controls. What do you mean change my sensitivity? I don't... Can you change your sensitivity when it comes to controllers? Huh. Let's go to Skull Island. I don't know. And number 3-1. Oh man. Did anybody subscribe? I want somebody to subscribe. I want to test out my stupid notifications. Can somebody subscribe, please? Somebody who's not subscribed, subscribe. Because I did an awesome notification thing, and I don't know if it works or not. Somebody needs to subscribe before I find out if it works. Hey Zuzu, no hard feelings, buddy. Hey Zuzu, come on, talk to me, Zuzu. Come on, talk to me. No hard feelings, buddy. Hey, 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 hey. He doesn't want to talk. Look at this guy. What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Willis? Dun 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 dun. Go on settings. I've been on settings, but what do I do? I don't know. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Am I the most handsome? No, I'm the least memorable. What? 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 No. Subscribe to VloggyBuddy for instant flatulence. Crap, 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 crap. Ah, crap. Subscribe to VloggyBuddy for instant flatulence. Oh no, 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 no. Go get the chest, go get the chest. Yes, go get the chest. There's a bit of lag. No, not me! Not me! I haven't picked up a weapon yet. And I'm... No! I died. I didn't do anything this time. Let's see if somebody subscribed. I'll be able to tell if somebody subscribed or not. I want to show you what happens when I subscribe. You want to see what happens when somebody subscribes? I want to show you. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm sorry. I had to do that. Come on, somebody subscribe. I want to see somebody fart. Oh man. Okay. No, it doesn't work if you unsub and sub. No, it won't work. No pixel. It won't work. Well, I'm gonna check though. See if actually did subscribe in the meantime. Hang on. No, nobody did. Nobody did. Nobody loves me. Nobody loves me. It doesn't work. It doesn't work, Pixelsoft. No, it doesn't. The system is very smart, so that people when they do it, when people do it, it won't work. So it's again. It's him, and that's an awesome username, man. How do I pronounce that if this guy comes into chat right now, into my game? How am I gonna pronounce your name, man? Okay, Tristan. Yeah, I'm gonna get a new sub. Yeah, Tristan's gonna fart. Zuzu is still alive, and he's teamed, huh? I want this guy to win, not Zuzu. Come on, kill him. Come on, kill him. He's a good fighter, huh? Yes, well done. Come on, kill him. Come on. Zuzu, die. I'm gonna push you into the lava. That does not exist. He's good, huh? They're both good. Oh, Zuzu wins again. Zuzu wins again. Like a boss. Should I change the lobby? I'm gonna change the lobby actually, Tom. I'm gonna change it. But before I do, listen guys, I know it's Minecraft, okay? I know it's Minecraft, but how do I quit the game? Exit. I know it's Minecraft, but it's still more exciting. Come on, true, admit it. It's still more exciting than Operation Raccoon City, than Umbrella Court yesterday. Yeah? Yeah? Come on, admit. Hang on, I want to make myself a drink, but I'm afraid that if Tristan subs with his other account, I'll miss the fart. I don't want to miss the fart. Alright, I'm gonna put the headset down. I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna go grab the bottle of wine. I'll be right back. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. Did he fart? Did Tristan fart? Okay, I'm just gonna make a pour. I'm gonna make a pour. I'm gonna put the headset down. I'm gonna put it back in the fridge. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm hoping no more farts, yeah? Okay. Let's try again. Casual competitive. I'm gonna go competitive again. I'm a very competitive person. You are now spectating. I'm spectating! Ah, I know why, because I said any. Hang on. I want short rounds. Short rounds, competitive. Let's go. Okay, still spectating, but we'll just be patient for a bit. These sparkly ones, I think, have stuff in them. You see? Once he stops looking inside them, they stop sparkling, so that's one thing to note. But I still don't get what the icon says. You know, the icon on the top right hand corner. You see? Ah, okay, some of the chests get refilled when you get that icon. Not all of them, though. This guy's sneaking. This guy's gonna get him. Now's your chance, buddy. Go get him. I think he spotted you. They're teamed. They're not fighting. They're just teamed. They're teamed. Really? Oh, come on, man. Everybody's teaming up. What's your skin? What are you? An aardvark? 3 of them! Oh my goodness. Okay, well, one of them, they're fighting those two. I sub on 2 different channels. We didn't get a notification. Maybe it takes a while because the system checks every minute, I think, or every 30 seconds, something like that. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I hope it works. It's not for the sub, honestly. It's just I want to see it work. I've been struggling with it for months now, but let's just say weeks. Here we go. Here we try again. I lost all my achievements now. Oh, look, it's Bart Simpson. Where'd he go? Okay, true. Thank you. Take care. Thank you for coming. I was gonna say take care and thank you, and it came out thank care. Thank care. Thank care, true. See ya, buddy. No. No, you do not. You do not, my friend. I wanna sit in the water. Okay, I can do this. Okay, that works. And it has knockback. Alright, that's good. I go through here. Come on, get down there. Where do I go from here? Is there a chest in here? Yes, come on, give me. This one, what does this give me? Oh no! This one, knockback 1, 2.0. I'll take this. I have no idea what the music is like. I think it's epic. Why was I kicked from the game? Why was I kicked from the game? What did I do? It felt like a private party, to be honest with you. It did feel like a private party. It's okay. I didn't cheat, did I? What did I do? It's okay. No. What am I doing? Join competitive or casual. Let's try casual. Let's see what casual is like. This guy has a cape. No, it's not a cape actually. Something else. He's a dragon! He's the Ender Dragon! Here we go. This is hard. It's hard to get to the chests on this one. Ah, so hard. Dang, it's so hard, man. It's so hard to start running. Look at that. I can't even make jumps. I can't even make jumps! Oh yeah, the game started and I don't have a single weapon. No, of course! No, no, please, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. I don't know, buddy. I don't know, Pixelsoft. I'm gonna keep streaming until I'm bored. But so far, I'm not bored. So far. Exit game. Let's try again. I'm gonna be streaming for probably another hour. I've been streaming for an hour or so right now, so maybe another hour? 2, perhaps? We'll see. Depends how bored I get. Competitive again. Let's go competitive. I'm gonna put the controller down. I'll be right back. Oh no, I'm about to start. All the way. Okay. Again, this stupid map. Takes forever to get to the other side. Come on, let's try. Okay. I can never do this jump. Okay, hang on. Oh, I took an apple. And what? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Did you see that? It happens even in the PC edition. I don't know why. This thing happens even in the PC. You take the stuff and it disappears again. I don't know why. Ouch. Why am I walking slowly? What the heck? What is this? Nothing. It does nothing. It's just water. What's this? What's this? What's this? A chest. But I think it's been looted already. No, it didn't! Okay, fantastic. I'm gonna camp here. I don't care. Oh, it's just me and another one. Oh, we're doing well. Camping is good for you, my friend. Where is he? Ah, you see, that icon means the chests have been refilled, but not this one. The one's in the middle. I see him. I see him. I see him. I see him. He's in the middle. Looting chests. That's fantastic that I can see him. I don't know if he can see me. I'm just gonna keep hiding. He doesn't see me. Showdown. He doesn't see me. He has no idea where I am. And now I can use it to my advantage. Does anyone know if I'm crouching like this, if it hides my user tag? In the game, yes. In the game, in the PC version, crouching like this hides your user tag, but I don't know if it works. Hang on. I don't know if it works on. The host has exited the game. What? He was the host and he exited the game? Wow, that's lame. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna host the game now. I'm gonna host the game. Let's see how that works. So it's gonna be a public game. Allow friends of friends. That's okay. Maps. Okay. Round length. Normal. Let's keep it short. It's gonna be. What the what? Give me a chance. Alright, no problem. So I set up a lobby now. A public one. People are gonna come in. And the ones that keep winning, I'll keep kicking them out. The ones, the real good ones, I'll keep kicking them out. It works what? What does it work? The notification? What works? What works? My notification? That's all I want to work right now in my life. The notifications, that's the only thing I work. Ah, you mean you're talking about the crouching during the game, yeah? Nobody's showing up. Come on, man. I don't even know if I set up correctly though. I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna host. It's gonna be a public game. I'm gonna keep this short, casual, competitive. Competitive we're gonna create. That's what I wanted to do. Let's see if it makes a difference now. We're gonna wait for a bit. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna put the controller down. I have to check something. Be right back. Okay, nobody wants to show up for my session. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Oh, somebody just did. Oh, okay. And time to gain change. Time to gain change. 49 seconds. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's this one guy here. Hello, Jewish lemon. Hello. Hello. Come on, we need more people. Come on. Come on, lobby. Okay, so when it's showdown, basically uncovers your butt when you're crouching. Interesting. Please don't quit the game. You just stopped. Looks like you're going through the menus. Please don't quit the game. Has joined. Someone else just joined. Yes, fantastic. It's gonna be 3 of us. Alright, it's gonna be a game of 3 now. Okay, here we go. Fantastic. I'll get a chance to experiment with the boxes. Come on. What the what? What the what? Why are you frozen? Ah, yeah, okay, I forgot. Yes! Ooh, where's the other one? No, 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 no. No. No, not on the water. No, I want you over here. I want you on land. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. No, wow. Wow, has a very high range. Whoa, 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 whoa. Am I poisoned? No, 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 no. Oh. Wow, this guy's good. Oh, so close. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? But he's good. He's good. Jewish lemon. Alright, we're getting people now. We're getting people joining our lobby. Fantastic. Okay, look at that. It's a party of 5. That's good. That's good. And this is my party. I can kick anyone I want out. Anyone. Not who cheats. Anyone who's so... What's going on here? I thought I saw something here. It's void. There's a void down there. Interesting. Did you guys see that? The block is... Because there's a block here. There's a block here, so it should cover this part. It's weird. Alright, how many people are we? We're still 5 people. That's good. That's good. Here we go. I can do this. I can do this. It's only 4 of us. 5 of us. Well, me against another 4. If anybody teams, I'm kicking them out. I don't care. Let's go, buddy. Run! Okay, nope. If anybody comes over here, they're dying. I'm picking up my arrows again. I don't care. Oh, chest refilled. But none of these. Ah! No, 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 no! No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That's okay. I was the first one to die. I suck. It's good. Jewish lemon is good. This is still more exciting than Umbrella Corps. I don't care what people say. There's a chest, buddy. Go check it out. There's a chest. There's a chest over there. Go get it. There you go. How many people alive? There's 2. Wow, look how many people now has joined the game. Fantastic. If anybody teams, I'm kicking you out. No, come on. Oh, jump best is the best. Nice. We need more views. We need more views. It's alright. It's not about the views. It's about playing and enjoying and having some people have it coming over. What are these? No medal, no medal. What medal do I have? I have a marksman. Let's go. If anybody teams, they're getting kicked. I don't care. If anybody wants to play with me next time, by all means, I'll add you on PSN and we can play together. Look, the lobby's full. That's fantastic. Look, nobody's up here with me. Oh, come on, let's go. Alright, now where do I go? Up there, down there, okay. Let's go. I'm a boss. Ooh, look at all the loot I got. That's nice, that's nice. Let's go. What is this X? I don't get the X. What are these? What are these? Invisibility? Invisibility! That's awesome. Can he see me? Can he see me? I was invisible. I don't know. Was I invisible? I don't know. That's weird. I don't know. I need to find out more stuff about this game. Look at them fighting. Oh. He bossed it. Well done, buddy. Oh, watch out. Oh, good game. GG. That was good. How's the game still going? He won, no. That's weird, you have to wait for the counter to go down before you win. Strange. But anyway. It's beast. It's good, huh? What about me? Most generic. Least effective. Diver. Participator. Hoarder. Marksman. Good, good. Ah, crap. I need to do this. Yee, come on! I wanna do this. Look at that, I'm up here. Can anybody be up here, huh? 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 Hahaha, you can't jump. You can't jump this way. Okay, this is... I should do it. I should be able to do it. Come on, Ken. I did it! Awesome! Actually, you know what? I'm gonna hang out here. I'm gonna wait out here. I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna stay in the middle now. See if it makes any difference. Maybe I'm a sitting duck here for arrows, I don't know. I'll just keep walking around like this. There we go, look. Nothing, 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 and nothing, okay. Oh, what the hell? How come I didn't see you? How come I didn't see him coming? What? I need to watch this. I need to see this. That was so good. GG, man. That was so good. I didn't see him coming. How did I not see him coming? I need to watch the replay. I need to watch the video now. Ooh, nice. Nice. This guy's good, huh? How many games did he win? He's good. Man. Try again. Eee! Oh, yeah. Ugh. Come on. Yes. Why does he double jump? Why does he double jump? Okay, we're gonna start now. An error occurred during... Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? The Minecraft PlayStation app just crashed. Wow. PC Gaming Master Race. Was it? Come on. Look at this. Report problem. Let's report the problem. Reporting to Sony Interactive helps improve PS4. It's not about the hardware. Well, I don't know. Can I attach a screenshot? I don't care. Accept and report. Thank you for your cooperation. So let's launch Minecraft again. It crashed. Stupid. Oh, that's so cool. Welcome, Cam Wilson. My game just crashed. It's not... I did speak Maltese, yeah, Pixelsoft. I'm sorry, man, my game crashed. It's not my fault. I was playing and I was doing well. Don't worry, I'll try again. I could have watched IBX Toycat. I used to love watching IBX Toycat. He goes, hello, I'm IBX Toycat. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much, Cam. Thank you so much. Let's try again. Join competitive. No, 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 no. I said any. That means I'm gonna have to wait for longer rounds. I don't want longer rounds. Oh, come on. It's taking forever. It's taking forever. I'm gonna have a sip of wine now. I used to love watching IBX Toycat. Not bad. He's very Minecraft PlayStation centric, or let's just say console centric. He focuses more on console versions of Minecraft. Personally, I prefer PC versions of Minecraft. This game's crashing. I don't know. It's not working. Exit. Let's try again. Let's go. There we go. You see, there was something wrong earlier. It doesn't usually take this long. I can't make these jumps. I can never make these jumps. But I just almost did. Never gonna. You can never make these jumps. I don't know how they do it. On PC, yes, I will. I will do these jumps on PC, but on console, it's a bit ass. Oh, there's a hidden chest here. That's nice. No! Come on, I just got here, man! Oh, you're gonna get it, man. Ooh, you're gonna get it, man. Come get it, man. Come get it. He's scared now. I'm gonna go get him. There you are. There you are. You butt face. I died. Oh my goodness. I almost died in real life. Ah, man. sucks. I just realized the game that quit earlier, I was hosting the game, so everyone else got kicked out. I wonder if the new music is copyrighted. I don't know if I'm gonna get a copyright strike. It's good, Zarbi. Sgarbi. Zarbi. He's an Arby with a Z. You have my same skin! You and me! No! No! You and I have the same skin, my friend! No! This is gonna be awesome because people are gonna kill me and they're gonna think... They're gonna kill me and then they see you and they'll be like, I killed this guy already! Did he come back from the dead? And then they're gonna think we're hacking and then they're gonna kick us out. I'm up here. Can anybody come up here? Come on, clone me. Come up here, buddy. What's his name? FIFA? FIFA! Oh, FIFA's a noob. Come on, FIFA. Come on, I can do this. I can do this. I can beat FIFA to the boxes. Come on. Come on, FIFA. Yeah! Yeah, I'm gonna stick here in the middle. I'm gonna stay in the middle. I don't care. I'm gonna stay in the middle. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna fight. We're gonna fight. No! Wow! Were they teaming? Hang on, let's see what's going on. Were they teaming? They're teaming. They're teaming, look at them. Oh, surrounded. Yeah, we say Minecraft music isn't copyrighted, but the thing is this. Remember, that was was purchased by Microsoft, so any new content could be, you know. I plan on streaming Pokemon Sun and Moon when it comes out in November, and I'm gonna invest a 3DS capture card. And I won't be making any money out of those videos. I mean, I can't even claim monetization or anything like that because... Look at them, they're teamed. I hate that. I hate that. I'm gonna quit. Because they own the rights to any game you play. I'm not gonna be doing it for the money. I never do it for the money anyway. It's not like round length, short, competitive. But if there was one chance of me earning 10 cents out of a Pokemon video, there won't be that chance at all. So I'm only doing it for the expansion of my channel. Let's call it that. The expansion of my channel. Maybe. Alright, I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna try attacking. Once again. These are the same people. I'm playing with the same people here, huh? Ooh, nice. I died. Did I manage to kill one? No, I didn't. I don't think I did. Nope. 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 It's not easy, huh? This guy did well, huh, for himself. Staying in the middle of this map is awesome because there's only, well, I was gonna say 4 ways one can come in, but I just realized there's 8 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. There's already 2 people left. Why did he do that? Did he commit suicide? I don't get it. Let's try again. Here we go. I can do this. I can do this. Let's run. No, no, go away, go away, go away. He wants the team. He would have killed me. I suck. I don't have a better weapon. But there's a chest here. There's a chest here. And it's empty. Uh oh, someone's coming, someone's coming. Ah, I tried. I tried. 2 arrowheads wasn't enough. Ah, sucks. Ah, the host exited the game. He rage quit, probably. Maybe I'll try hosting again. Hang on, let me try hosting again. Public, length, short, competitive. Oh, it's no select map. Okay. Create competitive. I may have to wait around a little bit. It's okay. I'll be right back. It's alright, Pixel. Thank you for stopping by. You do what you gotta do, buddy. I appreciate you hanging out here. Take care, buddy. Have a good night. All right, here we go. Come on. I can win out of 3, yes. Yes, I can. I'm gonna run away, and then I'll deal with you when I'll see you around. It's gonna start. It's gonna start the battle of awesome. Here we go. I'm gonna go get him. I can't go from here. Ah, crap. Good water is in the way. No! That's one. And that's... Yes! Like a boss, I took 2 down. Alright, there's more people now. I'm a swordsman. I love the new icons that they designed for... You recognize me from Minecraft Story Mode, huh? You recognize me from Minecraft Story Mode, huh? We're a party of 5. That's good. Me against another 4. No, somebody just left. No, that's good. Look, another one from Minecraft Story Mode. It's Gabriel. We're starting. I can do this. I can do this. How many? Alright, 1 box each probably. Let's go. I'm gonna run away. I'm gonna hide here. I'm gonna camp here, I don't care. There's another letter here. I'm not capable of camping. I need to move here and there. I'm loving the music. Can I get over there? Yes, I can. Thorns? No, I'll keep the thorns. What about these? Protection. Protection. We're good. Showdown. That means that I am no longer invisible, eh? Yeah, exactly. I can see the icons now. Let's go get some. Are they camping? Are they teamed? Dang it. They are teamed. I hate you so much for that. I died. Dang it, they're teamed. Everybody left? It's just... Hey, it's just you and me, buddy. Everybody's lame. So it's 3 of us. No more 3 of us. Wow, did you see how many people just joined the moment the game started? That's weird. Chest. Nope, I am right in the middle where I started. No, 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 no. You will never catch me now. Actually, I don't know what that did, but... Oh, come on! Come on! I clicked open chests, but it didn't open. I don't know why. God dang it. There's 2 people over there. They're teamed. They're teamed. What am I gonna do? There's another chest over there. Kind of unreachable. Come on. Oh, of course. Of course, of course. Oh, he's coming. He's coming for me. No, please. No, please. Please, please. Ah, that sucked. That sucked. Hater staying hating. I love the username. Here we go. Oh, I hate this one. I can never do it. I'm just gonna run back. I can never aim. I'm sure one day I will, but... What's this? Poison. That's good to know. I think only the middle chests get refilled though. Crap. If I'm doing this and I change, okay. No, I wasted it! No! I'm an idiot. Yeah, only the middle chests get refilled. There's one of my arrows down there. I'm gonna go get it. Oh, I don't know where it was, or where it went. I'm gonna go get back up there. There's my arrow. Come on, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I need that. Someone's coming. Ah, sucks. I wonder how much damage I did. Doesn't say. Unbelievable! Well, it's actually Wow. It's the worst thing when you spell your username incorrectly, buddy. That's embarrassing for you. Not for me. Why does nobody make this jump? Why am I the only one who can jump up here? Huh? What's this? How long I lasted, I think. Let's go. Nope, I never make these jumps, so might as well go home. Well, might as well try. Never! Not a single instance. Ooh, the one time I did it. Ah, come on, come on, come on. No! Come on! Dang it. Haters stay hating. I was the one to die first, I think. Yeah. Wow, he's doing so well. Haters, they hate him. No. They're teaming up. They're teaming as if. I won't allow teaming. Okay, clear. Okay, bye. I don't allow teaming. I'm sorry. I kicked one of them. I should have kicked both, but... If he joins the game again... It means the other one invited him, and that means I'll have to kick them both out. Now you can't team. He came back. He came back. That means his friend invited him. So that means I'll kick both of you out. I'll give him another chance, actually. He came in and he left again. I was gonna give him another chance anyway. What do you want? What do you want, Zaka? What do you want? What do you want, huh? We'll give this a try. Both of them left, you see? I kicked one and both of them left. They were teaming. I don't allow that. No teaming up in my country. Seriously, you're gonna attack me? You're gonna attack me? Die! No, I died? Wow! I suck so bad. He died trying to escape me anyway, so haha! We're back. I died after 23 seconds. That's embarrassing, buddy. Maybe there's a secret to this. No. No, I don't think there is. Ask me just me and another one. Okay, I can do this. Come on. You took all the good stuff, huh? You still took the good stuff. There's another chest over there, come on. Yes! What the heck? Come on! Where is he? Fire resistance I don't need. Instant health I'll take. Where'd he go? There he is. What weapons does he have? Ah, it's just a nice wooden sword. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. Let's go get him. How am I gonna jump from here? Like this. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? No, 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 no! No! Ah, suck! I suck! Ah! I panic. I panic. Well done. GG, buddy. GG. Try again. Favorite weapon. I hate it when you say that. Favorite weapon. It's like I chose to own. What are these guys doing? Let me try. Let me try. I see inside your head, man. That's what they were doing. What about you, man? Who gets up there? Who's up there? Alright, there's a way to get up there. There's a way to get up there. Interesting. I run away. Dude. That's it, buddy. That's it. Only because I don't have any weapons. Actually, you know what? He said, hey, buddy. Hey, I was gonna give you something. But apparently you don't need it. What if I drink? And I turn invisible? Am I really invisible or not? Why am I not getting the stuff? Alright, you know what? You're all gonna die. You annoyed me. You annoyed me. There we go. Dang it! Super lag, did you see that? I want him to win. Ah, he lost again. Dang it, that was diamond boots. Look at my diamond boots. They're over there. This hobo. Why aren't you wearing my diamond boots, you idiot? You're a noob. And he's still carrying the frickin'... Oh man. He's dying of hunger. He's dying of hunger. And he has no idea. And he still won. Wow. You're a lucky son of a gun. You have no idea how you won. Alright, let's try again. How are people getting up there? Hang on a sec. Alright. This is how. Okay, there's a trick here. This map's full of tricks. I made it. I'm up here. Dude, I made it. I'm right next to you. What are you pushing? Ah, this is it. Ah, that's awesome. I discovered something. I feel so accomplished now. How many people are there? No, I don't stand a chance. Let's go. There's a chest over there. Where's everybody? So yeah, only the chests in the middle are getting refilled. Okay, so in competitive. I think we're in competitive right now. Yes, so competitive you don't get to see. I can't see the username tags. I think he saw me. Did he see me? Countdown. Now you see their tags, you see? Alright. I should go now when they're fighting between each other. And I'll seize the moment. Nope, 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 not me, not me, don't look at me. Don't look at me! Don't look at me! Don't look at me! They're both coming at me! They're both coming at me. How did he win? Why was he... Why did he win? That doesn't make sense. Did he have the most kills or something? Shut up. Okay, one last game, I'm gonna end it. Everybody knows it's over here now, everyone knows how to do it. There we go. Everybody's up here now. Is there any way I can... No. Let's go. Such a full lobby, I don't think I can stand a chance. But I'll give it a try. Ooh, I have no idea how I did that, but... Instant damage. Wow, so many instant damages. And I have a stick with fire aspect. Okay, why not? A stick with a fire aspect. That's weird. You know what? Not safe. There's people over here. What's this down here? No. Nothing. There was somebody over here. Where is he? Where'd he go? Come on. Get up there. He's over here, he's over here. Come get him. Oh! No! 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 Dang it, I killed myself with this stupid potion. Dang it, that was so close. Ken Italiano was killed by Ken Italiano using magic. I deserve that. So funny. Ah, the competitiveness in this game. Alright, I'm gonna end it here. Sorry to everyone who's actually joined in this lobby, but I'm gonna have to go out. I'm gonna have to kick you all out. In 3, 2, 1, bye. Thank you all so much for coming, those who came, whatever. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!